one of my favorites to look at. Everybody always wants more training in Excel, okay? So we can pull in Excel here and see what our courses we have to offer are. And you can tell there's over 3,000 options here. That's a lot of different options to really choose from. So many different courses, Excel terminology, Excel for beginners, and that's just the starting block, right? So much that we can add here. How do you go through it all? You can click and you get a little fly out. It's going to provide you with a preview, tell you how long the course is. It's interactive. So your employees are going to be required to get hands-on. There's going to be tasks for them to complete within that training. Gives you some of the skills that you desire for your employees. And really, it's tailored for learners worldwide. It tells you more about it, right? Okay. We don't have time to go through all 3,000 courses. So how do we narrow this search down? There's also this AI chat feature where you can get in there and really tell it, I'm looking for an Excel course that's going to teach me X, Y, and Z, and it will filter those results down there for you to really give you more tailored recommendations for what you're looking at. All right, so we did talk about how that platform is then going to be intellectually connected with your employees with their employee profile, right? So you're going to be able to manage this right from your iSolved, and you can get in there and view where your employees are at with their trainings. Okay, so we're going to take a look at what this looks like within higher level. It's looking for my own file, and it looks like I didn't have access to it.